Good morning students, class 8, and today we are going to do the question number 3 of exercise 3.3. In question 3 what we have to do, we have to find out the square root, okay? But in this question the number which is given to us is in a decimal form. So how to find the square root of numbers which are in decimal form? See, in solving this, for making the question solution easier, we will use both the methods. We will use the prime factorization method also, and we will use the square division method also. How? Just see it. We have to find out the square root of 79.21, and I just told you, in solving these kinds of things we will use both the methods, okay? We will use the prime factorization method also, and we will use the division method also. How? First of all, remove this, okay? Remove this decimal. So what we will get? We will get 7921 upon 100. It means root 7921 upon root 100, okay? This part we will solve by the help of factorization, and this part we will solve by the help of division method, because this will make our question solution shorter also and easier also, okay? So first of all, find the square root of 7921 by division method. This I had explained you yesterday, that we have to put the bar from the back on two digits. Now 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64, 9 9 is 81. We will take 8 8 is 64. 9 minus 4, 5, 7 minus 6, 1. Now this whole bar things will be copied here, and here we will do the double of 8, means 8 plus 8, 16. Now what we have to do? 1 6. The digit which will come here, same digit will come here also, okay? So we will take, we need 1 in last now, so we can take 9, just write 9 9 is 81, 9 6 is 54, plus 8 62, 9 1 is 9, plus 1 10, 15, okay? 169, 9 times. Answer will come 1521. It means the square root of 7921 is 89. And this we know, 100. 10 into 10. It means 89 upon 110 will come outside. So we will get our answer 8.9. Is it clear now? So whenever the question came of finding the square root by the help of division method, take the help of both the methods. Denominator part you can do by the help of prime factorization, and numerator part you can do by the help of division method, okay? So note it. Okay students, now see one more part B. We have to find out the square root of 62.2521, okay? So we will do it in the same way as we had done part first. So see it in a very proper way. First of all, remove all the decimals. So what we will get? 62.2521 upon 0.0001. Okay? Now put the square root on both things, numerator also and denominator also separately. 62.2521 upon 100 into 100. Okay? This I had done in this way. So 62.2521, just find out its square root by the help of division method. 62.2521. Okay? Put bar. Okay. 7 7 is 49. 8 8 is 64. 64 is more. So we will take 7 7 is 49 minus 12 minus 9, how much? 3. 5 minus 4, 1. So what will be copied here? This whole thing having the bar. So bar is on 25, so we will copy 25 here. Okay? Okay, double of 7 is 14. Some number will come here, and that number will come here also. Okay, so just check it. 140, we can take it how many times? We can try 140 9 times. Just do it. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36, 4 40, 44, 9 1 9, 10, 13, 1, 3, 4, 1. It is more. So we will take 148 times. Okay. Let's check it. 8 8 is a 64. 8 4 is a 32. 32 and 6, 38. 8 1 is a 8, 9, 10, 11. So 148 will get multiplied by 8. Answer will come 1184. Okay. Subtract it. 5 minus 4, 1. 12 minus 8, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 cancelled. Okay. Now, what will be copied here? This whole thing, na 21, just copy it here. And see something here. Now, we have to do one more step. 7 double is 14. 7 का डबल था 14. इसका काम खत्म हो चुका है. ओके. ये जो नई चीज़ आई है 8, इसका होगा डबल. देखो इधर 148. 8 का डबल करूँगा, सिर्फ 8 का प्लस 8. 8 प्लस 8 16. 4 प्लस 1 5. इट विल बिकम 156. फिर से सुनो मेरी बात को. अभी तक तुमने कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं किया है कि जिसमें ये वाला स्टेप करना पड़ता था. सब अभी सभी आंसर्स आ गए थे यहाँ पे. इस स्टेप में क्या होगा? 7 का डबल 14 हो चुका है. अब इसको दोबारा डबल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. ओके. न्यू डिजिट कौन आया था? 8. तो डबल किसका होगा? 8 का. और होगा कैसे भाई? डबल कैसे करते हैं? ये जो नंबर पुराना वाला है सिर्फ 8 डबल होना है ना, तो इसमें जोड़ दो 8. 8 प्लस 8 16. 4 प्लस 1 5 1. इज इट क्लियर? So it will become 156. Now, एक डिजिट यहाँ पे आएगा, सेम डिजिट will come here. Just check it. 156. How many times? It is a big number ना, so we can check for 9 times. 9 9s are 81. तो unit plate digit same आ जाएगा. Let's check it. 9 9s are 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8. How much? 62. 9 5s are 45 plus 5, 45, 9 5s are 45 plus 6, 51. 9 1s are 9, 10, 14. 1 4 1 2 1. Is it clear? So it had gone 9 times. 9 will come here and we will get here 1 4 1 2 1. It is cancelled. Is it clear, students? Good. So the square root of 622521 is 789. And from here 200 are okay, 200s are here, so we will do the pairing and 100 will come out from the square root. So 7.89 is our needed answer. Is it clear now? So students, I had done 2 parts of question number 3. Hopefully you had understood it. Next 2 parts you have to do by yourself in a very good way in your pair copies. Okay, thank you very much.